Hello and welcome back to my channel. Don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe. Let's make this delicious keto eggnog cheesecake. This is a perfect treat for Valentine's Day. For the crust, take 2 cups almond flour, 2 tablespoons of your favorite sweetener, half cup butter melted, mix it up. Let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes at 350 degrees. While that's happening, make the filling. Start by mixing together 3 ounces cream cheese, 1 cup of sweetener, in my case is Allulose. Add 4 large eggs, mix it up. Add 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, one teaspoon ground cinnamon, mix all together until smooth. Pour the filling over the crust and bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes. And at the end, you have this delicious keto cheesecake. If you are new, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you're not already subscribed, I hope you will subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. It helped me out so much. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you so much for watching.